Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Multiplication can be really tricky sometimes, but multiplication by some special numbers that can be, you can use some smart tricks to get to the answer very quickly and accurately. Now I'm taking up one such example. Someone asked me on WhatsApp, can you tell a trick to multiply numbers by 37? And so I thought, let us plan it out. Let us describe the trick, the concept of the trick, and you will know how you can multiply big numbers by 37 also by knowing the basics of the basic operations. So friends, here I am with this particular topic in which I am going to multiply any number by 37 virtually mentally. When I say mentally, it requires practice, and if I practice like 100 questions before I could say that I could do it mentally. So even you need to practice. Just watching the video will not enable you to calculate it mentally. Obviously, maths is all about practice. So friends, before I take up the detailed concept of the trick, let me tell you about the short tricks ebook which we have. This is especially for the quantitative aptitude exams and all those exams which are mentioned here. You will be able to excel and perform better because this contains 24 different chapters which are most common in the quantitative aptitude exams. It contains over 300 short tricks which will help you in calculating 10 times faster. Yes, 10 times faster. And then we have a reasoning course combo. This quantitative aptitude and reasoning, actually that is a part of all the exams, and so you require this combo. So friends, very important that you procure a copy of this, and all the students who are studying at school level or college level or preparing for any placement exam, this combo is for you. So this is my WhatsApp number. You can see here 9896369963. Send me a message on WhatsApp. I'll tell you how to procure a copy. The best offers are going on right now. Okay. So friends, what is the concept of the trick? When we multiply a number by 37, what is the mathematical thing we are going to use here? Right. So here comes the surprise. 37 is actually, when you multiply this number by 3, you get 111, and this is the concept I used to multiply any number by 37. I'll show you how. Suppose I have a trick for multiplying any number by 111. So suppose there is a number 483, okay, and I need to multiply that by 111. So if I can do this, I can do multiplication by 37 also. So how do I do this? I'll start with the single digit here 3, then add the last two digits 8 plus 3 11, 1 carry. I'll remember this in the mind, and then add all three digits 8 plus 4 12 plus 3 15 plus 1 carry 16 6 and the 1 carry again. Now having done all the three, I will take first two 8 plus 4 12 plus the 1 carry 13 3 1 carry again, and then I will take the first digit 4 1 carried. So 4 plus 1 becomes 5. And now pick up the calculators and check. 483 times 111 will be 53613, and this helps me in finding the product of the same number by 37. You know how? See, 483, if I have to multiply this by 37, I will rather write 37 as 111 upon 3, because see, if I take this 3 to the other side, this will go in the denominator. So 37 is actually 111 by 3. So having multiplied this number by 111 already, I got 53613. So 53613 divided by 3 will give me my final answer. Now this is a big number, actually 483. That is why the steps are looking to be little bit larger, in size. But when I show you the detailed questions, it will look much more easier. So divide by 3. 3 ones are 3, so 23. 3 sevens are 21, so 26. 3 8s are 24, so 21, 3 7s are 21 and the 1. So 17871 is the product of 483 and 37. Friends, just pick up the calculators and check your answer for a while. And I'm sure this is going to work for you. And now comes the demonstration of this particular trick. So I'll take up some 2-digit numbers and then 3-digit numbers and show you how this works so smartly. Let's see the first question now. So in the first question, I will take a 2-digit number which is divisible by 3. Let's take 96 and I need to multiply that by 37. So what will I do? 96 into 111 by 3. Now this is a mental math step. So I'll put a star here. This is a mental math step. You don't need to write that actually. So 96 divided by 3 comes out to be 32, and 32 times 111, this is what we need to do. And there is a very simple method for that. Just put a 0 here and start with the unit digit. 2 plus 3, 5. Sum of all 3 is, again you have 5, and finally the first 2, 3, and the first one is 0. You don't need to write that. So 3552 is the answer. That means the product. So you can see I took very less time, but although this is the first question, I was explaining all the steps here, right? Now what will happen if this number is not divisible by 3? Then will we get a decimal? Not at all. So what am I going to do now? See, suppose 79 times 37. Now in this 79 is not divisible by 3, right? So what am I going to do is, I will write a 0 here. So 079, and first I will multiply it by 111. Okay. Now when I multiply this by 111, I'll get 9. 9 plus 7, 16. So 6 and a 1 carry. And then all 3 means 16 again. And the 1 carry 17. 7, 1 carry again. So first 2 is 7 plus 1 carry is 8. So 8769 is the product of these two numbers. Now having written 37 as 111, I need to divide this result by 3 to get my answer. So 3 2s are 6, 27 means 9, 6 means 2, and 9 means 3. And now pick up the calculators and check your answer. 2923 is the product of 79 and 37. Now how about taking a 3-digit number? Suppose we have a 3-digit number like 867, and I need to multiply that by 37 now. So the same steps which I did here works for that also. Now here I have taken a number which is divisible by 3, so that makes my task much more easier. So if you divide this by 3, you will get 3 2s are 6, so 26, 3 8s are 24, so 27, 3 9s are 27. And what you need to do now is to multiply this by 111, because I divided by 3, I will multiply 37 by 3 to get 111, right? And now very easy, right? Start from the right hand side. 9, 8 plus 9, 17. So I am writing all the numbers just to add one more step so that you feel comfortable, okay? So 17, and then 17 plus 2, 19, 8 plus 2, 10, and finally the first digit 2. So what is the answer? 9, 7, 1 carry means 20, 0, 2 carry means 12, 2, 1 carry means 3, 32079. Just pick up the calculators again and check your answer, and you are going to be surprised by the accuracy of the result. Okay, what happens when the 3-digit number is not divisible by 37 or not divisible by 3? So let's see. Question number 4 coming up for you. Suppose we have a number 556. So this is not divisible by 3, right? And I need to multiply that by 37. So first I will multiply this by 111, okay? And then divide the result by 3. Always remember those steps, okay? So 556, now multiply by 111. So start with the unit digit. 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, and then 5 plus 5, 10, and finally the first number 5. That gives me 6, 1, 1 carry 17, 7, 1 carry 11, 1, 1 carry 6, and divide the result by 3 and watch the magic. 3 2s are 6, and then we have 0, 3 5s are 15, so 21, So 7 times and 2 times. 20572. Is that the answer? And be ready for a surprise. It is exactly correct. Likewise, if you have a 3-digit number, like suppose the number is 6213 and I need to multiply that by 37. 6213 is 12, right? Sum of digits is 12. It is divisible by 3. So what am I going to do? First divide it by 3. So first divided by 3. What do you get? 3 2s are 6 and then 0. 3 7s are 21 and then 1. And then multiply it by 111. Now how do you multiply this by 111? Start writing from the last digit 1. 1 plus 7, 8. Right? Then 1 plus 7 plus 0 again 8. And then 7 plus 2 plus 0 is 9. And then 2 plus 0 is 2 and finally the 2. So what is the answer? All single digit numbers, right? So just write them together and you are going to get your answer. 2298881. That is the answer. And now if the number is not divisible by 3, what do you do? Multiply it by 111 first. So let's take the example of 7943, okay? And I need to multiply that by 37. So first I will multiply this by 111 because it is not divisible by 3. Multiplication by 111. So 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 9, 16, and then 4 plus 9, 13 plus 7, 20, and then the first two numbers 7 plus 9, 16, and then the 7. So this gives me 3, 7, 6, 1 carry means 21, 1, 2 carry means 18, 8, 1 carry means 8, and divide this result by 3, you will get your answer. So 3 2s are 6, 28 means 9 times, 1 1 11 means 3, and 26 8 times, 27 9 times, and 3 1 times. 293891 is the answer of this particular product. I hope you understood the logic when to divide by 3 first when it is the number is divisible by 3, and when to multiply by 111 first when the number is not divisible by 3. Right, friends? So the logic works everywhere. Multiplication by 37 can be really easy if you have proper smartness in you. Right, friends? So I hope you enjoyed the video, friends, and you will be sharing this video with all your friends through your WhatsApp groups. And intention is to make them smarter and tell them that there are so many tricks which exist but we don't use them. So even if you can use them once in a week, it pays off. Right, friends? So all the best for your practice. Do practice at least 70-80 such questions, and then you will feel more comfortable. Thanks for watching this video, friends. All the best.